Hello everyone, I'm Amod and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video tutorial, I have explained to upload single file, multiple files and a directory using Playwright. In that video, whatever files I used to upload, those were existing files. Within my project, I had created a folder test data and I stored my files and I used absolute and relative path of these files with the set input files method. Now, suppose you are uploading just random files. You don't need to worry what type of files or what content you need to upload. Or suppose you need to create a file on the fly or with some dynamic content. Then how to do that? For example, you registered yourself on a website and you got a registration number. That registration number you need to store into a text file and upload somewhere, or you need to upload a JSON file or a CSV file. And the data of these JSON and CSV files are dynamic. Based on some previous actions, data will be decided. So all these scenarios we can easily handle in Playwright. So we know that, as I explained in my previous video, that Playwright provides a method set input files to upload a file or files, or you can even upload a directory. And within the usage section, it gives an example upload buffer from memory. And here we have something name, MIME type, and buffer. So what is the use of this? Let's see the example. So I'm going to use file.io website, which I have covered in my previous video as well. And for the upload files, we have an ID. Let me copy it. And here I can use await page.locator, pass the ID value and call set input files. So earlier we passed the path of file to be uploaded. But now I am going to create a dynamic file. So to create the dynamic file, you can see here we need to pass an object. In that object, I need to pass name, the file name actually. You can give any name, then the type of the file, and what actually we need to give as a content. So need to pass an object. First key is name. So you can give any name, like maybe abc.text. Then the next key is MIME type, which will be a plain text file, and next key is buffer, where we have buffer dot from, and here you can pass anything. I mean any content of the file. Maybe I am Amod. So basically what is going to happen now, if file will be created with the name abc.txt and the content will be I am Amod. This buffer is built-in object in Node.js, which is used to handle binary data. So let me run this program and see if it works or not. So click on run button. So you can see file is being uploaded. You can see the file name is abc.txt. Let it complete. So here we can see abc.txt, and let me download this file. So you can see the content is I am Amod. So using this approach, there is no need to create the file in advance and pass the path. I am creating a dummy file dynamically. Now, now suppose you need to create a valid JSON file. So that is also possible. So let me duplicate these lines, and here let me change the extension from txt to JSON, and MIME type will be application/JSON. And then in the buffer.from, I'm going to create a JSON. So I'm going to use JSON dot stringify, so that a JavaScript value will be converted to JavaScript object or JSON. Within this, I will pass an object. The first key will be name, anything you can pass, Amod, then city, New York. So basically, I am passing a JSON here, and this JSON will be stored in a file abc.json, and this will be uploaded. Let me quickly run and see if it works or not. So you can see abc.json, let it upload, and if you click on this file, you can see the JSON object. Now let's see how to create a CSV file, because I think these two types are mostly used. So again, I'm going to duplicate these lines and comment the previous one. So instead of JSON extension, I need to use CSV, and MIME type will be text slash CSV. And here instead of JSON, let me pass a CSV. So CSV stands for comma separated values. So let me use text, and here I can pass headers first, maybe name and city. Then hit enter. First value or row Amod, comma New York. Hit enter. Mukesh, Bangalore. So basically, I'm trying to create one CSV file with headers, name, and city. There will be two rows. First row Amod and New York, Mukesh, and Bangalore is the second row. Let me run this program. So you can see something uploading abc.csv, and if you click on this CSV file, you can see the content. Let me download this file. Click on download all. It seems I have provided the incorrect CSV. If you see the program, name and city, we need to provide comma after name so that it will be considered as two different columns. Let me run this program again. This time it is uploading, and let me click on this file. So this time it looks good, but let me download the actual file. So I will copy this share link, copy this link, and here paste the link. So file is coming. Let me download. So you can see it has been downloaded as a CSV file. Double click on this file, and here you can see name and city as columns, and we have two rows. You can format it because I think when I hit enter, it is considering those spaces as well. But overall concept you are understanding. You can create a dynamic file and upload on the fly. So that's all in this video. If you need doubt, please comment on this video. If you really like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with others. Thank you, everyone.